In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Discord overlay when it's not working. This is an essential tool for gamers as it allows seamless communication with teammates without needing to exit the game. In multiplayer scenarios, where coordination is absolutely critical, it helps keep you connected with real-time notifications so you don't miss out on any important messages, calls, or updates while you're in the heat of gaming. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into Discord using your credentials. If this is your first time using the platform, just click on the register option and follow the simple on-screen instructions to set up your account. Now, fixing the Discord overlay is crucial, especially in maintaining a smooth communication flow without interruptions. To solve the issue, start by heading over to the settings icon, which is represented by a small cog. Once you're there, navigate to the activity settings where it's all about tweaking those game overlay settings. Now, this is important, make sure you have selected the option to enable the in-game overlay. But don't stop there. Check your toggle overlay shortcut as well, ensuring that it's set to the key combination you prefer. After confirming these settings, exit by hitting escape, then go ahead and load up your game to see if the overlay is functioning properly. If you're still experiencing problems, you might want to consider turning off hardware acceleration, as it can sometimes cause the overlay to malfunction. Go back into settings and this time select the Advanced tab on the left-hand side. Look for the hardware acceleration option, toggle it off, and then restart Discord to see if this resolves the issue. Now let's revisit the game overlay settings one more time. Occasionally, the overlay position could be what's causing the trouble. Under overlay position, you have different options like top left or bottom right. Make sure that the overlay isn't hidden off-screen or placed in an area where it's not visible. Adjust the position as needed to ensure better visibility. Another potential issue might be your firewall settings. Temporarily disabling your firewall can help you verify whether or not it's blocking Discord overlay functions. Also, make sure that Discord is whitelisted to ensure its overlay features aren't impeded. Next, ensure that your graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers can often lead to overlay issues, so it's essential to check for updates. You can do this by clicking on Check for Updates in your system settings, then downloading and installing any available updates. Additionally, if you're utilizing overlays from other applications like NVIDIA, AMD, or Steam, these might interfere with Discord's overlay. Try disabling any overlapping applications temporarily to see if that helps. Finally, if none of these solutions seem to work, consider visiting the Discord Support Center for further troubleshooting steps. This resource can provide guidance through more advanced diagnostics. You can even type in your specific questions in the support section for direct assistance. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope these steps help you get your Discord overlay back up and working smoothly. Happy gaming!